Well, hello friends and followers. Here is a Heathkit Marauder HX10 on the floor, all apart. I have this thing for sale on eBay, but I figure I might as well use it while it's for sale. At any rate, I wanted to put a new power cord in this thing for a while, so yeah, did that. Put a power cord on here. This is of course, a grounded power cord. I had to drill a hole for a fuse holder because the fuses on an old Heathkit are in the power cord itself. Here's the old power cord here. Anyway, yeah, the fuses are in the old power cord, which is kind of a hack. So I was able to get one of the China Communist fuse holders I had laying around here and install it there. The hardest part was drilling that hole, which was complete hell, but that's in. I put the ground lead there on a lug and wired the thing in to where the old power cord was. So I got to put some strain relief on here on the black insulation to hold it tight against the case. Otherwise, that part's done. I also have been using this radio with an old receiver. It was an NC303 and now it's an NC300. The problem is, to mute that receiver, they tend to ground, I guess, a cathode or a screen or something, and it's substantial voltage, like 33 volts. It's substantial current. It makes a spark, and it eventually made the TR relay in here, that section that grounds the receiver, it made it carbon up, and I had to pull the relay all apart. So anyway, I put a grounded emitter transistor in here, which simply will the collector is grounded, and the emitter will pull current from the device. So it pull current from the NC300 receiver through the base, through that resistor. It's a 10K. I hope that works. So yeah, I got to test this before I put the whole thing back in the case and lift it up there and see if it works with the receiver. And if it does, then that will take strain off the relay. So that comes off of pin 4 on the accessory jack there. So anyway, that's my little hack and the power cord. And then this thing goes up on the receiver until it gets sold. So that's the story on this. I'll keep using it on AM until somebody buys it. And if it doesn't get bought, I guess I'll keep using it. All right, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day.